Dear students, standard 5, good morning. I think we will read the grammar. That you please open your book, page number 29. So we will start from the examples that from active voice to passive voice formulas. So how a sentence is being active voice sentence is being the passive voice sentence. So there are the formulas. So we have already read on tomorrow, read on yesterday that examples verb 1 oblique verb 1 plus es oblique s, then is oblique am oblique r plus v3. So it is the example for you. You have already read it. Today we will read the two, the second I. This is the first I already completed on yesterday. Today we will read that the second I. Is, am, are, v1 plus ing. It will be the passive voice. Passive voice is or am or are or being plus v3. So see, is, am, are will remain same. Is, am, are will remain same, and when it is become the passive, is and am will remain same, plus being will be added, plus v1 will be the v3. So that here you see how it becomes. Sneha is writing a letter. Sneha is subject, is writing is verb, a letter is object. So there is no doubt this is subject, verb, object. So look at the arrow signs. Look at the arrow signs. Always in the passive voice, always you have to remember that always in passive voices the object will be written at the first. Then the verb will be written. That means verb will be written here. Then the last one will be the subject. So subject in object form. So that Sneha is writing a letter. So you see the a letter has come to the beginning, and the is writing verb is at the middle, and the subject is at the last of the sentence with the object form. So this is the technique. This is the common rule of this type of sentences. So Sneha is writing a letter. A letter is being written by Sneha. Understood, my students? So you come to the page number 30. Page number 30. Has, have plus verb 3 means has, have plus verb 3 means it is the active voice. Then it is will be the passive voice. I have posted the letter. I have posted the letter is the active voice form. So it has been the passive voice form. What will be its passive voice? We have already know before that always the objects will be written in the first when it is become the passive voice. So then the verb will come. Then the last one will be the subject. So by this form, by this rule, we will do these changes. We will do this type of sentences to the passive voices. So that you come to the v2 was oblique where plus v3. My teacher punished me. My teacher is subject, punished is verb, object is me. So what it will be in when it will be in a voice changes, passive voices. What it will be? The me will be I. So then punished means was punished will be, and the my teacher will be changed by my teacher. So like this it will be done. Why? Verb 3, verb 2 is was oblique where oblique v3, because main verb will be v3. So that we have completed it. So you come to was, were plus verb 1 plus ing. Then it is the active voice form. Then its passive voice form what will be? Was oblique were plus being plus V3. Like that, the example, I was watering the plants. I is the subject, was watering is the verb, the plants is the object. So objects will come to the first, the plants came to first. Then verb will come to the next, were being watered. And the last one will be the subject will come to the last, that means by me. So you come to the question number 6. So had plus V3 means had plus V3 will be changed in passive voice, had been plus V3. I had solved the problem. I is the subject, had solved is verb, the problem is object. So object will come first, the problem, verb will come the next, had been solved, the subject will be the last by me, subject in object form. So that we have already completed this formulas. On next day we will read the page number 31. Till that you have to do it in your homework. If there is any doubt or problem, let me in our school app. Have a nice day. Thank you, my 5th class students. Again.